Hi guys, Akil here from akilbrown.com. Just want to give you guys a quick heads up. I'm going to walk you through today some of the tools I've used and show you how I selected my keyword for my niche Adsense challenge. Again, if you wanted to keep up to date and receive my emails, what you can do is sign up here through my email opt-in box, and also you can sign up to my RSS feed, which allows you to receive every time I do a post, you can receive it in your email inbox without even having to come to the site. So you can opt in either two ways. You can sign up to RSS feed if you have a Google reader, or you can opt in by email, which will take you to, another page, and you just type in your email and you automatically subscribe to receiving any updates or anytime I post, you receive an email saying, okay, whatever the subject is I posted on, you receive that into your inbox without having to come to the website. Or what you can also do is sign up here, put your name and email address, and you receive like useful information in my newsletter, which will which will detail like all the free information that I've received online that I will share with you, and without you having to sign up to like 20 different emails, you could sign up to one email and I'll let you in on exactly what I'm going through, what I'm doing, how I'm trying to turn this into a full-time income. Okay, so with that said and done, what I'm going to show you is how I do a little research. I went to, if you go to Google, sign up to, you go to Google wherever your home country is, you go to type in Google Keyword Research, and Google Keyword Research will take you to this section or this page. It should be the first website address. So what I've done, I've typed in my keyword. As you can see, I've selected exact. If you choose broad, it will give you a greater amount of searches. So this will be like, any selection of fish bar or whatever. So it says 40,500, which is nice, but it's not accurate. So I want exact match where people are exactly typing in fish bar into the website. So as you can see, it's 2,900 monthly searches, which is a good volume. As I stated in my criteria, anything above 1,000, or depending on how long tail of a keyword you're looking for. I mean, if it's just a simple mini website you're going to create and you want to just test it out, you can also do like Garrett Fish Bar, which only has 210 searches a month. But you could test it out, see that way, and then build up on your site. So as you can see, I've chosen Fish Bar. Obviously, Fishbar is .com or .co.uk is not available, so I've added a little tweak to it, and this has a cost per click of 0.65, which equates to 1,885 pounds potential. Um, I've also scrolled down just to see, okay, what are the keywords that I can decide to pick up and write about. As I've stated in the article, you should select your main keyword or your core focus, and then select additional 10 to 20 keywords where you can target. So if you target, foot fish spa, foot spa UK, as you can see, the adds up. It's a compound effect of 110 to 140. Happy Feet Fish Spa, which is a business, that's in the UK. Someone actually created a business called Happy Fish Spa. 110 people search for that monthly. So by looking at the long tail version or the long tail approach to writing an article for your blog, you can, instead of just focusing on the main keyword, you can also focus on additional keywords, which will bring in more traffic or more potential to have your site viewed more often in Google. Also, another thing to do is check Google Trends. As you can see, I went to Google Trends here and I type in fish bar. So you can see the trend is going up, up and up and up recently. And also you can check regions, cities. So UK is on the third spot. Also you can check Google Insight. And Google Insight also gives you the same information to a certain point. It also gives you more keywords or additional keywords to check. So I typed in fish bar. So scroll down there a little bit. Then you can see, okay, additional search terms. So these are some additional 10 keywords you can use, and also 10 other rising searches you can also use when you're deciding to write topics on which keyword to select. And again, this is some of the free tools that I use. I also use a paid tool called Market Samurai, and I have it open here. I'm just going to run you through, how I use it. So what I'm going to do is type in fish bar. This might take a while, but what I'll do is pause the video if it takes a while. So I've typed in fish bar, and I'm going to do is create. So as you have Market Samurai, you have a chance to use the trial version, which will give you 7 or 10 days free, and I'll leave the link for that below. So you have you can check your rank for your website. You can do keyword research, SEO competition, domain research. You can look for the domain name once you find the keyword selection, different monetization methods. You can find content and publish content and promote it. Again, I usually go to, in this video, we're just going to show you SEO competition just quickly to check the top 10 sites or see what Google is actually listing as, the top 10 sites. You can go into Google also and type in Fishbar and see what are the top sites that come up. So what this is going to do, it's going to generate, the results and see exactly, if you have a good chance. If you see mostly green, that's a good thing. If you see mostly red, then it's highly competitive, and you probably wouldn't stand a chance unless you're, have a elite team working with you. But since we're just going to do it for this particular search, okay, so it's a mixture of green. What I usually look at the backlinks. As you can see, this is Wikipedia. Obviously, a lot of people link to Wikipedia. These are some pictures and stuff, so people have actually SEO'd their pictures and to be able to come up with fish bar. The number 2 spot, is a 0 backlink, so it has a potential 125, 136 backlinks. Now, this one is in Bangkok, so this is not in the UK, so I have a potential of actually trying to rank for this particular keyword. Once I do what I need to do by doing my backlinks, my SEO, and my Web 2.0 strategies or tactics to get my site more popularized. So, this is how you use Market Samurai. This is a quick video just to show you how I selected my niche, and